Hi, I'm Chris, and if you listen to this short presentation, you'll discover how I stumbled upon a little-known price pattern that finally turned me into a successful forex trader. This video might not be online for long, and for good reason, as you'll soon see, so make sure to watch it while you can. Let me start by saying that I'm no ex-hedge fund trader or mathematical genius who discovered some loopholes in the market. I'm just like any other struggling forex trader out there. I've wasted thousands of dollars on hyped-up forex robots and expensive trading systems that simply don't work. And I constantly jumped from one system to the next looking for that holy grail, or at least something reliable that I can commit to. If you've had a similar experience with your trading, then let me tell you, it's not your fault. There are so many different trading systems out there, and on top of that, this industry is so full of hype and scams at the moment, it's almost impossible to tell the good guys from the bad. I was stuck in this losing cycle for years until I learned that the secret to becoming a successful forex trader was not in some special indicator or robot, but in the ability to identify where the real support and resistance are on a chart. Once you can do that, you'll know where prices will make reversals. All you need then is a good entry and exit strategy, and you have a profitable trading system. The problem is that the common methods used to identify support and resistance are very much subject to interpretation and by no means an exact science. So it usually takes a lot of practice and trial and error to get to a point where you can reliably identify the best setups. I struggled with this for quite a while, but then one day I stumbled upon a unique method that I've never heard of before that requires absolutely no guesswork at all. It relies on the principle of cause and effect, and it uses a very simple, recurring price pattern to reveal hidden areas of support and resistance on the chart. Naturally, I was very skeptical at first, but when I looked for this pattern on my own charts, I couldn't believe how reliable it was. Virtually every time the pattern appeared on the chart, the price would react in a certain way. It was so obvious, I couldn't believe I had never noticed it before. The best part is that this pattern also tells you exactly where to enter and where to exit the market. So putting it into practice is much easier than the traditional methods. I've had so much success with this pattern since then that I've abandoned all other trading strategies that I used before. So over the past 2 years, I have tested and refined this method and developed a unique trading system that I like to call the price action formula. I call it that because that's exactly what it is. It's a formula that allows you to strip off all those indicators and trade the forex markets using price action alone. The training that I provide with this system includes every scrap of information I have learned about this method so far, like how to identify the highest probability setups, exactly where and how to enter the market, which time frames to use, where to put your stop loss and take profit, and everything else you need in order to trade this method successfully. So let's take a look at everything that's included in the price action formula system and a few of the unique benefits that this program will give you. In modules 1 and 2, you will discover the unique 3-candle price pattern that forms the basis of this trading system. It's easy to identify, and you'll be able to spot it on your own charts very quickly, even if you're a complete beginner. The great thing about this pattern is that it tells a story about what is going on in the market, and you will actually understand why you are buying or selling when you do so. Just in case you were wondering, this pattern has nothing to do with any of the common candlestick formations or price patterns you may have seen before.